everyone, I'm Evelyn Tan, an influencer in quality engineering, to bring you another lessons on how to apply quality engineering tools and concepts to be proactive in achieving consistently good quality products. So let's get started.
In my previous lesson on quality costs, we have learned that prevention costs, which mostly happen at development stage of a product, should get the most focus to minimize or prevent the subsequent costs in detection, internal, and also external failure. The link to the previous quality costs video is available below and also at the end of this video. Prevention cost is applicable for products which have shorter life cycle, where new products will replace the existing product in the next generation, such as consumer electronics product, which is under normal, this is what we call under normal circumstances. However, in some industries, such as aerospace and even medical, where products are highly regulated and long cycle life, where product development only happens in years. The best part is that if the product life cycle is so long that the supply chain also becomes so limited, such as an electronic component technology roadmap has already moved on and they still use the previous generation parts. Or it could be that the approval from the authority for something to change could take also years. Therefore, under such circumstances, what has not been done, such as designing quality, cannot be happen that fast. Therefore, we still need to minimize failure costs, especially to the customer, under such circumstances. The ironic thing is consumer protection is even more critical for such product as it could cost a human life. So, in this highly regulated, long life cycle type of products, which cost do you think is the most important? An organization should do whatever it takes to eliminate external failure and protect the customers. So the next best alternative is actually to put in screening or inspection to screen out potentially bad parts which could harm the customers. Therefore, appraisal costs should be the main attention given in such circumstances. For most products, the highest priority or attention should be given to prevention costs to ensure that quality is planned in during development stage to prevent the subsequent cause of appraisal, internal failure, and also external failure. Unfortunately, in reality, many companies did not invest in prevention costs as they do not feel the pain point, whereas the problem does not happen yet. For a highly regulated industries, it is almost or very difficult to do any quality planning to correct the current products, and the cycle life is long. It could be years, it some to the extent of 10 to 20 years. So yes, I'm correct. It's 20 years because an aircraft cycle life is about 20 years. So the next best alternative is to invest in appraisal system which can screen out failure at customer side. When you have such cost or appraisal cost, internal failure will happen as they all come in a set, and everything, and it has to be done whatever it takes to protect customers. There should be no or minimize the external failure cost. So in summary is that the least attention that was given is prevention cost, but when by right the main focus should be focused on prevention costs under for most of the product or appraisal costs for those products that has highly regulated or long cycle life, and both internal and external costs should be minimized or best prevented.
Do give me a thumbs up if you like and have benefited from today's video, which is especially prepared for you to hack into the key areas to achieve good results. Please do subscribe to this channel to get notified on the future video, and appreciate if you can leave a comment on what you would like to learn. I would also appreciate if you can share this channel with all your friends. Thank you, and see you in my next lesson. Bye!